Namaste, this is Rani. Welcome to my channel Rani Vlogs21 and also welcome to Rani Study Hour. Will be continued next sum. This is the question paper. Yes. The second question, what is the surface area of the cylinder formed by rolling rectangular metal sheet end to end with dimension 22 meters in length and 7 meters in width along its length. So we solve this surface area formula. Surface area is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Given length is equal to 22 meters. So two pi r is equal to 22. Then we find r. So r is equal to 22 by 2 pi, that is equal to 22 by 2 into 22 by 7. Reciprocal of 22 by 7 is equal to 22 into 7 by 2 into 22. 22 cancelled. 7 by 2. Therefore r is equal to 7 by 2. That is equal to 3.5. 3.5 meters. Next, also given width is equal to, so we substitute above values. 2 pr means 22 into h 7 plus r 3.5, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 plus 3.5, 10.5, that is equal to 22 by 22 into we can remove decimal form, then we get 105 by 10. Here is 22 and 10. 2 table is cancelled. 22 11 times, 10 5 times. So 5 cancelled, 105 21 times. So no denominators, remaining 11 into 21 is equal to, you multiplied 11 into 21. Okay, 231. So total surface area is equal to 231 square meters. I read third sum. What is the coefficient of y in the expression minus 3xy by z? This is the sum. Asking coefficient of y. Coefficient of y. If any number before the variable is called coefficient, y coefficient is minus 3x by z. Total this term is called coefficient of y. This total minus 3x by z is the coefficient of variable y. This is the answer, minus 3x by z. Next we are going to fourth sum. I read fourth sum. 4 to the power of x plus 6 is equal to 8 power x plus 2 is equal to 2y. Then find the value of x and y. Write the sum. 4 to the power of x plus 6 is equal to 8 to the power of x plus 2, that is equal to 2 for y. In this sum we find x, y, values of x and y. First we solved for these two expressions. 4 power x plus 6 is equal to, we take the two expressions x plus 2. 4 will be written as 2 power square. 2 square to the power of x plus 6 is equal to 8 will be written as 2 cube to the power of x plus 2. So 2 power 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 6, 12 is equal to 2 power 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 2, 6. So bases are equal, so powers will be equal. 2x plus 12 is equal to 3x plus 6. 2x plus minus, this is plus 3x will be written as minus 3x. 6 plus 12 written as minus 12. This is 2x minus 3x, x minus is equal to minus 6 minus 12, 12 minus 6, 6 minus symbol. So minus minus cancel, therefore x is equal to 6. We can find the value of x is equal to 6. Then we solve. Next we substitute x value in 4 power x plus 6, that is equal to 2 power y. Then we can find value of y. We take the value of x is 6. Four will be written as 2 square to the power of x plus 6 is equal to 2 power y. Next 2 square to the power of x value is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 2 power y. 2 power square to the power of 6 plus 6, 12 is equal to 2 power y. 2 into 12 is equal to 24 is equal to 2 power y. Therefore bases are equal, powers will be equal. Y is equal to 24. In this sum, the value of the x is equal to 6, value of the y is equal to 24. Going to the next sum, that is fifth sum. What is the result of multiplying 2a plus 3b by a minus b? Two a plus 3b multiplied with a minus b. So first you multiplied this expression with a and also multiplied by minus b. This expression will be multiplied by minus b. So first we multiplied a, 2a plus 3b multiplied by a, 2a into a plus 3b into a. Next minus b, 2a minus 2a into b, plus into minus, minus 3b into b. So we can write 2a into a, 2a square, plus 3b into a, 3ab, minus 2ab minus 3b square. So here is 2a square. Finally 2a square plus 3ab minus 2ab plus ab, remaining minus 3b square. So this is the answer, 2a square plus ab minus 3b square.